Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use less internet data on your laptop. Start by checking your system's data usage settings, which are typically found within your network configuration menu. This built-in tool helps you pinpoint precisely which applications consume the most gigabytes, giving you a very clear picture of your data consumption. For instance, you might discover that a specific program used over 5 gigabytes in the last 30 days. Knowing this information helps you make informed decisions to significantly save data. Many applications operate continuously in the background, consuming valuable data without your awareness. Cloud syncing services, like those for photos or documents, are prime examples, as they constantly upload and download files. You can often adjust these settings within each application or your operating system's privacy options. Consider disabling automatic updates for non-essential apps to prevent sudden, large data transfers. This simple change can prevent many surprises. Streaming videos, especially in high definition, is a major data consumer. An hour of video in full high definition can use several gigabytes, compared to much less for standard definition. Always adjust your streaming quality settings to a lower resolution, such as 720 pixels, when on a limited plan. For large downloads or game updates, always wait until you are connected to a robust, unlimited Wi-Fi network. This simple habit saves a tremendous amount of data. Your web browser itself can be a data saver. Most browsers offer a data saver mode that compresses web pages and images before they load, significantly reducing consumption. Also, review your operating system's update settings. You can often schedule these large downloads for off-peak hours or when you have an unlimited connection. Clearing your browser's cache regularly also ensures it loads only necessary new content, helping to manage your data efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.